In this video, I am going to unbox one of the most expensive fruit juices in Amazon. So guys, I have with me Kuvings B1700, which I recently brought in from Amazon. So let's unbox this inside because it's too much hot outside. Chalo, thoda fruit juice peete hai. So guys, let's start the unboxing. I'll be using the scissor as knife. So basically, I purchased it from Amazon during the Great Freedom Festival sale. The price of the Kuvings B1700 is usually 17,000, but we got a discount. So yeah, that's why we picked it up, and we got the red color. So here are the step-by-step process to assemble it. There are some recipe books. There are some other product pages. This is manual. And now this is the So guys, this is the Kuvings B1700. I ordered the red color. I think the red color has come hopefully. So this is the grey color, but I have ordered the red color. Let's see which color they are given. My dad wanted grey color, by the way. I ordered red color. This is part 1. So इसमें one लिखा है. This is 1. Okay, they send the red color only. So this is wait, let me take out part 2. So this is part 2. I don't know what is inside this. This is part 2. And this is the main body. This is the main body, which is the expensive part. This is Kuvings B1500. So yeah, that's it. Now I will open everything and try to unbox. So guys, I have some Mosambis with me. Now we are going to use the Kuvings B1700 to do some juicing. So this is how I am going to do. So we are going to switch on. First I'll keep some Mosambis inside. 1, 2, and I'll turn the machine on. This is the first time I'm turning it on, so I have no idea what will happen. Okay, so the Mosambis went inside the juicer. This is the first time I'm making some juice at home. And I'll be giving more juice Mosambis. And it has a 400 ml capacity, so we can only make juice till 400 ml capacity. So this Mosambi needs to go inside. Making around 200 ml. So 4 Mosambis is equivalent to 200 ml. Obviously it depends on the Mosambi. Mosambi के अंदर कितना juice है. I think इससे 400 ml हो जाएगा. अभी हम एप्पल का जूस बनाने वाले Kuvings B1700 में. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. पहले एप्पल को अंदर देते हैं. इधर एप्पल का पल्प आ रहा है, दिखाओ क्लोजअप में। इधर से एप्पल का पल्प आ रहा है बाहर, और अभी हम मशीन को फॉरवर्ड ऑप्शन में किए हैं। और अभी थर्ड एप्पल जा रहा है, कट। आरो बैग उठाने चले जाओ। So guys, time to enjoy some apple juice from Kuvings B1700. बहुत अच्छा है। So guys, that was the video of unboxing and review of Kuvings B1700. अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर देना। Cheers.